Atongoria ngurani nimatumite ndumiririri ciao cia macakaya kwi nyumba ya Nkaissery matongoretio ni President Uhuru wa Kenyatta ni ugite ni ehereirwo ni murata wa hakuhi na Mukenya urari na murugamo murumu na tondu ministry yo ndingikareta ni na murugamiriri ni akorirwo akiamura minister wa githomo niwe Fred Matiang'i anyitirire ministry iyo ya Nkaissery.
I take this opportunity to offer my personal condolences to his family, his wife and children in particular, to his friends, to the Maa community who have lost in a special way a great leader in their community. I call on Kenyans from across the political divide to mourn in peace and to uphold his singular mission of a peaceful, united Kenya. I have taken this morning the decision to appoint Dr. Fred Matiang'i as the acting Minister for Internal Security to ensure that there is no vacuum.
Kanjo ya magavana nayo ni ugite Nkaissery ni agukorwo akiririkanwo muno ni gukorwo na murugamo murumu wigainie na ugitiri wa bururi no ningi ni agukorwo akiririkanwo muno makiria ni kwambika bara igainie na itoi cia Shabaab. Na mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro niwe Raila Amolo Odinga na Kalonzo Musyoka ni matumite ndumiririri ya macakaya kuria maugite Nkaissery arari umwe wa aruti wira a thirikari uria tarathutukanagia na uria urarutaga wira wake na wendo munene he bururi.
Jemadari Nkaissery amefanya kazi muhimu zaidi kwa taifa letu la Kenya akiwa jeshini kama mwanajeshi, baadaye kama mbunge na kama waziri mdogo wa mambo ya ulinzi. Kwa hivyo kifo chake wakati huu ni pigo kubwa sana kwa taifa letu la Kenya, hasa kwa jamii ya Wamasai.
So this is a deep shock to all of us.
Duale hamwe na minister wa mibango na ukinyaniria wa mahinya niwe Mwangi wa Kĩũnjũri ni maugite ni iguthaine ne he bururi riu turorete ithurano-ini na makauga Nkaissery ni akuririkanwo ni undu wa haro yake na Shabaab.
Ni muthuri urare wa bata, muthuri muiguithania wa kunyitithania, mwendi rurire na mwenjeri kihoto. Ni hatigwo ithenya inene thiini wa thirikari ya Uhuru wa Kenyatta na hari andu a Kajiado na bururi mugima.
General Nkaissery to a large extent had made sure that Kenya was safe, and under his leadership I think the men and women who work with him, Kenya became more secure in the last 2.5 years or 3 years that he was Minister for Interior.
Na kiuria wari president wake Daniel Toroitich arap Moi ni akurirwo akiruta ndumiriri yake kuria ugite Nkaissery arari mundu wa mwanya na urendete bururi wake. Na ithuĩ guku gwa Kameme TV tukauga minister wa ugitiri niwe Joseph Kasaine Nkaissery aromama kwega kuraga. Nie getwo Wambui mwari Njihia.